Hi guys, my name is Guilherme Altares and you are in G Technology channel. And today we're going to talk about OnePlus. They confirmed that they will launch Nord 2 5G in July 22nd. So the OnePlus Nord 2 5G is right around the corner. And yesterday the first batch of teasers appeared online. Today we received an official confirmation in our inbox that the new mid-ranger will arrive on July 22nd at 7:30 p.m. So here you can see the invitation for the announcement. We are pretty confident what the phone will look like, thanks to unofficial renders, and the company confirmed the Nord 2 will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset. Specs have also leaked, suggesting a 6.53 inch AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution, a 90 Hz refresh rate, and a 4,500 mAh battery. There might be 14 days until the launch, but OnePlus had decided to run a contest for its friends where you can win a Nord 2 smartphone even before the launch. If you register on the website from the search link below, the OnePlus Nord arrived with a price tag of $399. No dollars. It's euro. 399 euro. And we expect the successor to cost more or less the same. So if you want to win OnePlus Nord 2 5G, you can click on the link on the Diverge GSM Arena. I will put the link on the description for you as well. So if you want to participate and win a OnePlus, I will let the link on the description for you. Click and go there. So it is be a good thing for us to see a lot of new smartphone coming, and it's good for the competition. OnePlus made and created a lot of good smartphones from the past years, and we are seeing a lot of good things coming to the future. And Nord 2, it isn't already released, but in July 22nd you can see it, the launch, and see if it will be a good smartphone for us to have in our pockets. So if you liked what I talk here, please participate with me during the live that I stream every Thursday in my YouTube channel. The name is GTech Live. Click on the link in the description, go there and participate with me. Okay, see you guys in the next clip.